In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer for overpayment in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to this process or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through every step, ensuring that you complete the refund smoothly and efficiently. First off, if you don't have a QuickBooks account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's straightforward, and once you have your account ready, go ahead and sign in to QuickBooks Online. Assuming you already have an account, locate the Sign In button on the QuickBooks homepage. After signing in, you'll be prompted to enter your account information. Simply follow the necessary steps on the page. QuickBooks will guide you through entering your email or username. Once entered, continue by clicking the Continue button. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Make sure you input this information securely, and once done, proceed by selecting the Continue button again. After gaining access, you'll be directed to choose your company file. This is the file linked with your business and contains all your accounting data. Select the relevant file, which will then bring you to your main dashboard. From this dashboard, you can manage various aspects of your business finances. Now direct your attention to the top of the dashboard and locate the plus create button. This is your gateway to initiating a new transaction. Upon clicking this button, you'll see a drop-down menu where you should select Refund Receipt. This action begins the refund process. Begin by selecting the customer's name from whom you wish to process the refund. This step ensures the refund is directed to the correct individual or business entity. Following this, choose the payment method and specify the bank account or credit card that will facilitate the refund. These details are critical for tracking financial flow and maintaining clear records. Next, type in any pertinent information that needs highlighting. This can include reference numbers or specific details that are important to the transaction. Then add the product or service details that the refund pertains to, including the refund amount and any additional descriptions or notes necessary to contextualize this transaction. While attaching documentation is optional, it's highly recommended. Adding receipts, emails, or any proof of refund can serve as strong evidence and may help resolve any disputes that might arise in the future. If you choose to attach documents, simply upload them where prompted. Finally, once everything is thoroughly checked and you're satisfied with the information provided, you'll want to save your work. You have two options. You can choose Save and Close if this is the end of your task, or Save and New if you wish to proceed with another transaction immediately. This step concludes the refund process within QuickBooks Online, and you're now equipped to handle customer overpayments effectively.